Is your car's door mirror glass cracked or damaged? Instead of paying for a full mirror assembly replacement, there's a smarter, more affordable option that fits like the original and restores your view perfectly. This door mirror glass is crafted to match the exact shape and design of your vehicle's factory mirror. It's not a generic fix, it's a direct replacement engineered specifically for certain makes, models, and years. That means you get a seamless look and feel, just like the original glass did when your car was new. I've seen plenty of drivers hesitate to fix their cracked mirror glass because they worry about complicated installation or poor fit. But this product comes with a simple, step-by-step guide that anyone can follow. Swapping out the glass is straightforward and doesn't require special tools or professional help. Plus, it saves you the cost of buying an entire mirror assembly. To ensure you get the right part, just enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the online garage tool. This quick step guarantees the replacement glass matches your car perfectly, avoiding any guesswork or returns. Customers across the United States have praised this mirror glass for its flawless fit and easy installation. It's a reliable fix that restores your mirror's function and appearance without breaking the bank or wasting time. If you're tired of looking at a cracked mirror or struggling with a bulky replacement, this door mirror glass is worth a look. It's a practical, cost-effective solution that gets your car back to its best in no time. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your mirror without the hassle.